So this is a new belt removal tool from HK Machining. We're going to put it on this Rage here and just show you how simple and easy it is. So Jen's going to help since it's her machine. Now first thing we're going to do is we're going to take that bolt off. Make sure your parking brake is on. Alright. All you got to do is pull that bolt. Got it?
Yep.
That on. That's perfect. Go ahead and put her in.
Okay.
All right, let's see if it works. That should be plenty to get it out. Just a little finagling, it'll come over. There you go.
Hey, I ain't never done this before.
There you go. The belt is off.
Maybe. Yay!
Put it back on.
Arrows to the front. For you novices. Again, I've never done this before. Voila.
Just kind of wiggle it around a little bit. And that clutch will pop back out. Very nice. Simple install from H&K Machining.
So next time you're a woman and you're at the back of the pack and your sled blows, you're never gonna have to wait for a man to come back for you.